We out here in the rain, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game, y'all. She's doing Caribbean style cabbage, y'all.
Yes. Good day.
That one right there is the sweet potato. Fried catfish. OMG. Look at this, y'all. This just looks insane right here. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're in East Orange, New Jersey, and Richard Hall, thanks Richard Hall, told us to go to Tasha's Caribbean Soul Food. That's right across the street. We out here in the rain, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game, y'all. We serious. Look, I got the babies back there. We serious, man. I got to get out of here and make sure I don't get splashed by the water, y'all. These cars coming by me. The kids don't know. You know how you be walking down the street and it's raining and you get splashed by one of them puddles? You know, you try to play it off. That ain't no fun, y'all. Let's go check out Tasha's. That's some puddles right there, y'all. All right, we going in here. We going in here, y'all. We're on North Park Street and Dodge Street. And it's a one-way that way. Y'all, look, the kids are under the awning, y'all. Remember how we used to be out on the block under the awning when it was raining? I got a lot to talk about today, y'all. I just had my second cup of coffee, y'all, so it's gonna be on. Uh-oh, is that thunder? Is the place open? This is not the place. Oh, we at the wrong place, y'all. This is the place right here. They have tables in there. My kids said they didn't have tables. They do, they got tables you can sit down and eat and everything. Y'all go right here. Oh, y'all ain't open yet? Not yet? What time? Huh? Oh, okay. They about to open, y'all. Okay. What say y'all? Y'all ready to eat? Yes. Y'all like Caribbean food? Yes. Oh, yeah? Yes. Caribbean food. What y'all like about Caribbean food?
It's different than American food.
Oh, okay. Caribbean American. But can you be American and Caribbean, though?
Yes.
I am Tasha Williams, chef and owner of Tasha's Caribbean Soul Food. This is my son, James.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You got sons?
Yes, I have 2 sons. I have 2 grandchildren as well.
What are some of the challenges of being an entrepreneur in this community and running your own business?
It is a challenge, waking up every day. For me, it's not work. It's my passion, so I'm not tired. As though when I clocked in for 9 to 5, I would feel it. I love my community because I give them fresh food. Everything that comes out of here, we make it. From our barbecue sauce to our spices, everything that is consumed, I control it and I handle it. So I know what you're consuming. No sodium, no MSG, none of that. I cook every day fresh. Nothing is leftover or everything is butcher cut. Oxtails are butcher cut, it's not stove bought. It's delivered daily. My husband is a farmer.
He's here?
As you can see up here, yes, he's hiding.
Okay. What are the benefits of owning your own business?
The smiles. The
smiles from the customers.
Yes. He does all the sweet potato cornbread, regular cornbread, the cakes, banana pudding.
You know, I don't do the video.
he did, but he was at the farm. The rice.
Look, y'all, cornbread's coming out. Look at that cornbread. It looks delicious already, right? So we got her cornbread. Zach's got his cornbread. Zoe's cleaning her hands. Oh, look at the plate that it's on. Pretty nice, right? That's like some nice china right there. What you think?
It's nice and soft. It's not gritty like
box
ones be.
Yeah, I know what you mean by the grittiness. Like, it's not gritty. That's good. Okay, y'all, I'm still waiting on the main course, and I know y'all over there, but I'm gonna look over here because that's me, but I'm gonna back over there. But I am, and I said I would, oh, wow. Just the color of this cornbread, man. It looks pumpkin-y. Oh, yours is, we got a different color, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one's like a different color than the kids. I taste some type of spice in there, man. That's good cornbread though. It's really buttery and it's soft like Zoe said, and she said it's not gritty. It tastes delicious. Thank you. We figured it out. That one right there is a sweet potato. Yeah, because I got that one.
Yeah.
Yep. That's delicious, man.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Fresh lemonade uptime.
Thank you. Oh, Zach's got his hamburger, y'all. Mac and cheese is on the way. What kind of burger is that?
Jerk burger.
Huh?
Jerk burger.
Jerk burger. Zach's got a jerk burger, y'all. Look at the fries, man. Wow. Uh-oh, that's the signal. I told you I was the signal. Okay, there goes Zoe's chicken, fried chicken, fries. Huh? Salmon? Catfish. Oh, wow. That's a good fry on it, though, man. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at Zoe's food.
And yams.
She got candy yams, fried catfish. That's it? All catfish?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know you like catfish.
Uh-huh.
And Zach got that macaroni cheese. He got that mac and cheese. That mac and cheese. Oh, y'all see him? See him cutting up? They be like, he never smile. Because he's a high schooler. He don't want to smile. Go ahead, man. You got that mac and cheese. That mac and. You can tell when the food's good. If Zach is dancing, it's on the one. Go ahead. There you go. It's really hot, buddy. I seen that steam. Is it scale of 1 to 10 mac and cheese? 10 on the mac and cheese? Oh, yo, I'm telling y'all, his grandmother makes some really good mac and cheese, and he just said that this mac and cheese was a 10. I hope his grandma ain't watching. He's gonna be in trouble.
Grandma's a 10 too.
Okay, he said his grandmother's a 10. That was a good recovery, y'all. Good comeback.
I mean, catfish.
Zoe's going in on her fish. I keep calling her fish chicken, y'all, because it looks so crispy. Oh, let me see that. All right.
Got the steam.
Yeah, don't bite it too hot. Hot, right? You bit it too hot? Take your time, girl. Blow it off. That's how you was when you was little. I'll be like, blow it, Zoe, blow it. She go, is it good?
11.
Oh, what is it? You said 11?
I said 11.
Oh, okay, you like it. All right, y'all, I just tore a piece of Zoe's catfish. I tore the tail off. Very fresh. Definitely need some hot sauce. Ooh, I even like that batter, man. That batter's good and nice and seasoned. That's good. Uh-oh. OMG. Look at this, y'all. This just looks insane right here. Look at this, y'all. I got that rice and that oxtail gravy on top.
How's your burger?
Good.
We got the cabbage and the collard greens. We got the extra gravy right there. Y'all know I'm gonna dip that sweet potato cornbread in there. Hold up. What's going on, fam? It's your man, Matt DV. We are at Tasha's restaurant here in the East Orange, man, on Dodge Street. Or is it Dodd Avenue? But we're gonna put the address up right there. All of this food looks delicious, man. They've been coming out surprising us with stuff. So I'm gonna go right into it, man. I'm going into the oxtails. My hands are clean. So I'm gonna use my Carolina forks on the oxtails. Look at that. Look at that. I don't want to drip it, y'all, but look, it would just drip. Oh, I just been in that fat, man. That's good. Those oxtails and the gravy is delicious, man. The right amount of spices is not too salty. It don't need salt. The kids are eating. I got some oxtail gravy here, right? This oxtail gravy, let me taste it. I got oxtail gravy on the rice too, man. We're gonna dig in. Let's dig into this. Y'all know I'm not the rice lover, but check this out. I'm trying. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little bit, even though there's a lot of gravy on the rice, I'm gonna add just a little bit more because that rice and that gravy mix is absolutely delicious. I ordered the white rice, and I'm glad I did. You know, I say all the time, if I'm digging rice, y'all know I'm not a rice lover, but this rice is delicious. Now let's go into the cabbage. It's the cabbage and the collard green mix. I see a few stems there, but let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. Very tender. It tastes a hint of bitterness, and I know they put some type of just a little sweetness in here. This is really good, tender cabbage and collards. What's that, cabbage? It took me a minute to set up the cameras, and I was hoping my food didn't get cold. It is not cold, man. These greens are very tender, but they're not overcooked. I wonder how they do that. How do you do that? How do you make greens tender, but you don't overcook them? Okay, I got my hot sauce, y'all. I got my hot sauce. Look, look, look. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on them oxtails. I'm gonna pick this one up that I was working on already. Okay. You finished your burger? Wow, that was a big burger. Zach's already finished. How was it? Scale of 1 to 10.
10 plus 10.
He said 10 plus 10. What kind of burger was it?
It was a jerk burger.
Zach, was it chicken?
It was a regular burger.
It was a jerk burger. I almost dropped that, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me for a minute, because I don't want none of this to go to waste. All right.
I trust some of your oxtail sauce.
Yeah. Did you get something to drink? The lemonade, y'all. Let's see, this lemonade from the hood. So let's see, y'all know what the hood lemonade is about. If you get lemonade in the hood, you know it's what? Sweet. Let's check it out. This is good. It's not too sweet. It's just right. I'm laughing because some of y'all may drink it and be like, that's entirely too sweet, but that's just right. Now, you guys saw the cornbread. I didn't get to dig into the cornbread like before. Look at this. But now, it's still warm too. I had it sitting here because I didn't want to dig into it too much. This is the sweet potato cornbread. When the cornbread first came out, I knew there was a difference in color. They had the regular cornbread initially, and I had the sweet potato. I thought it had like a pumpkin-y color, but sweet potatoes do have the same orangish color. Let's check it out again. These people know how to cook, man. This is Caribbean soul food. Mac and cheese, you said, was a 10. Zach's happy, y'all. He was doing a little dance earlier. Did you give us a number on your fish? Huh? You giving it 10 too? Huh? Does Zoe just give her fish a 10, y'all? Why a 10? Not that I don't want y'all to give it a 10.
Different flavors.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes real good.
Zach said he gave it a 10 because of the different flavors. Can you pass me that cake, Zoe? I'm gonna give it right back to you. Look, y'all, they came out and just put the cake on the table, and the juices, and the cornbread. So they really treated us really nice here, man. And the food is delicious. It is really delicious. This your man, Matt DV. We're here at Tasha's restaurant in East Orange on Dodge Street. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, and I appreciate y'all hanging out with us. All of the food is delicious. I even tasted Zoe's, I want to call it chicken so bad because it looked nice and crispy, fried, like fried chicken. But her catfish was delicious. The fries were fresh cut. I didn't taste the fry though. Fries are good? All right, y'all got ketchup? Hold on, let me just eat one without it. Oh wow, look at like the pepper and stuff on there. Y'all see that? Hold up, hold up. Yeah. I don't need no ketchup. I'm gonna dip this in there. I'll dip that in. The fries are delicious. Wow, I like that. We're out, man. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Make sure you subscribe. Also, thanks to all our patrons who've registered at patreon.com/MattDVWilliams. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thanks for all those who've given extra by hitting the $ thanks button. That helps supply my coffee habit when I'm editing. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. I wonder what's the secret sauce. Okay, did you want this one too? Before I dug into it, you see I had it right here. I'm like, that one got a little fat, I said, but I like the little fatty pieces too. Like, don't be cutting all the fat off my oxtail. Watch that bone. All right, y'all, I can't go without, that screws off the bottom. I can't go without tasting the cake, y'all. So let's get this piece here.
If we get a to-go box, you want me to say put your food in the refrigerator?
Here we go, it looks delicious. I was gonna say it was red velvet cake. I don't know what kind of cake it really is, but this is what it tastes like. Delicious, pure strawberries. Wow. My son's talking about me right now. Oh wow. And then got the whipped cream. Ooh, that whipped cream is really good. How many people used to get the Miracle Whip with the whipped cream in the can and put it in their mouth and go? How many people used to do that? I know I'm not the only one. I'll see y'all later. Peace.